Welcome to June's newsletter. Today is, I guess, July 1st. Looking at the weekly chart here of the S&P 500, we are strongly bullish about the Kumo, and however, notice that the Chicago is now going to bump into this resistance. So at this point, unless the market goes above these highs of 2,800, I would not want to be long. It could be you could employ some non-directional strategies here and try to get some premium credit. At this point, going bullish would probably not make too much sense until we go back above these highs, so that the Chicago can break out free. On the downside, there's a couple of weeks here where they could still come down and break the Kumo. You do have from this point on, from August 6th, you do have nice and strong flat Kumo here to support the S&P. It's pretty much the same scenario on the Dow. Strong support here, and the Chicago coming into this congestion area. So again, some non-directional strategies, some put out of the money put spreads, call spreads, something that could work here. I'll be very careful doing directional strategies at this point. Here's the daily chart. You obviously can see it's sideways. Looking at crude oil futures, strong move up. At this point, Chicago has broken out. This is a bullish scenario. I do expect some consolidation here just because of the distance to the Kijun, but any pullback would probably be supported by the bulls. So I would look for any buying opportunities on oil. Gold is in a downtrend on the daily. If I look at the weekly, it is supporting on the Kumo at this point. However, it is still in the congestion area. Really nothing there to. It has broken this trend line. Maybe I can just draw that trend here from the bottom. Well, actually, it is right now supporting on this trend line. So it'll be interesting to see if they can break that. If they do break it, then we could have some bigger down moves. At this point, I would just wait and watch on gold. And UUP for the dollar weekly chart, it's still consolidating as it is inside the Kumo. Chicago is free here though. I would expect another few weeks and the dollar could break out. On the daily is bullish, but Chicago might run into congestion. So again, I would expect some consolidation here. As far as stocks, looking at Apple, consolidating. Chicago below the candles here. That is bearish. We are above the bullish Kumo, but notice that we are below the Kijun, and the Tinkin's below the Kijun too. So at this point, it's more consolidation here for Apple. Not looking for anything spectacular there. Amazon is strongly bullish. I would not be afraid to buy this one on strength above Friday's high. This would, and with a stop below the Kijun on this guy. And Google, this is consolidating. Just looking at this, you can see the alternating nature of the Kumo: bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish again. So you can see Google's consolidating. I would avoid this stock at this point, at least on the daily. And not last but not the least, Netflix, strong bullish. I would wait for it to break this downtrend here, a small downtrend line or pennant type of formation. If it break it to the top side, I would not be afraid to buy it again with a stop below the Kijun. That'll be it.